the candidates involved in this category is 32,000. Now at this stage, when evidence of a large number of petitioners have been taken, which are throwing light upon one of the allegations of the petitioner, I will not allow filing any affidavit in the affidavit in opposition in this matter by the board. Mala, there was no allegation in the writ petition that aptitude test was not taken. Then, my lord, the president of the board, kindly take the fourth paragraph from the top. The president of the board is also directed to produce one list in a sealed cover, which will not be given to the petitioners, which will contain a list of names of the interviewers and their designation in respect of the interviews of the candidates whose evidence has been taken by this court. This list shall remain a secret list in this court. This was not disclosed anywhere. Then, my lord, on 6th of February, this is very interesting, my lord. Kindly take from 6th of February order. Lordship will find. May I take your lordship? Today, page 427.
Yes.
Page 420. My lord, will kindly give me a minute. Yes, page 427. My lord, the board was called upon to explain what is meant by aptitude test. So that affidavit was filed by the board. Then, my lord, kindly take paragraph 3. Another sealed envelope containing list of persons who took interview of different districts, namely South 24 Parganas, North 24 Parganas, Bankura, Purulia, Malda, Paschim Mednipur, Kolkata, Nodia, Dakshin Dinajpur, Bardhaman, Birbhum, Hugli, and Howrah, Uttar Dinajpur, Kuch Bihar, and Murshidabad have been produced, and those lists contained in small sealed envelopes were kept inside big sealed envelopes. Out of these interviewers, the envelopes in respect of districts of Hugli, Howrah, Uttar Dinajpur, Kuch Bihar, and Murshidabad have been opened and kept in a separate file. Other certain districts are being identified by the Honorable Court, have been opened and kept in a separate file. The other small envelopes in respect of the other districts have not been opened and are kept in a big envelope, and that big envelope is to be sealed again. Out of the interviewers, this is where, my lord, this is another, my lord, what should I say, another exposition of inquisitorial exercise.
How many interviewers were examined?
My lord, 30 interviewers from these 5 districts.
Yes.
My lord, my lord, this is very interesting. Out of the interviewers of the following districts, namely Hugli, Howrah, Uttar Dinajpur, Kuch Bihar, and Murshidabad, I need to know some facts about the interview and the aptitude test, and whom I call for appearing before this court on 21st February 2023 at 2 p.m. and the expenses, that is not relevant. Expenses, I need not travel. Most important is that when the honorable judge, out of all the districts, picked up 6 districts, and decided to exercise the court's power under 165 to examine these interviewers from these 6 districts as on 6th of February. 5 districts. My lord, as on 6th of February. And my lord, it does not appear from the order that what was the basis of, my lord, what should I say, cherry picking these districts. So, my lord, kindly take, then it is very interesting, my lord. First, my lord, reference is made to 5 districts. Now, kindly take paragraph 7. My lord, ultimately, my lord, Howrah is left out. For the district of Hugli, I call the persons named in serial number so and so, so and so, so and so. This is that secret list which was not disclosed. For the district of Uttar Dinajpur, I call the persons from serial numbers 32 to 43 of the list. For the district of Kuch Bihar, I call the persons from serial number 5 to 14 of the list. For the district of Murshidabad, I call the interviewers from the interview board number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, my lord, on 21st February 2023, the proceeding of asking some questions to the interviewers would be done in camera, and their reply to the questions would be recorded. So this is the order, and then, my lord, the questioning is done on 21st of February. my lord, the order is wrongly dated. This is at 4:32. In fact, my lord, I need not trouble your lordship with the entirety of the order,
Hmm.
because my lord, I know, my lord, your lordship has been hearing this matter for quite some time. But for the sake of completeness, this is actually dated 21st February, and this chart, the table, which is, my lord, included in the order dated 21st February 2023, also finds its place in the final judgment and order. Your lordship may recollect, my lord. And your lordship will find out of 30 interviewers, at least 13 said that aptitude test was held subject to correction. Right? At least 13 said. 11, I'm sorry, 11. Now, my lord, this cherry picking of districts and cherry picking the interviewers, my lord, had a drastic consequence. Now, ever compilation gulo dao. Volume 1 dao. My lord, I have prepared 3 or 4 compilations.
Yes.
Yes. But this is volume 1.
Which compilation, Mr.
Malad, this is the compilation from the documents. Malad, this is some judgments I will be referring to, list of dates, and my lord, I have tried to make an analysis of the evidence taking process by way of, my lord, a table in a tabular form. Your lordship will get a complete picture what happened actually. Kindly take this compilation and take the table which is at page, follow. Your lordship, I need not bother your lordship with page, the list of dates. Kindly take from page 3.
This is volume 2 and no, দুটো copy দেবে তো।
দেখবে না
Yes, yes.
মানে কাইন্ডলি টেক, ওইটা একটা লুজ কপি আছে না, এখন ফার্স্ট ভলিউমটা দিলাম, মানে আই উইল বি হ্যান্ডিং আপ দ্য আদার ভলিউমস লেটার অন। My lord, kindly take, my lord, district first, my lord, your lordship will find the second column, that is the district name. Third column is the name of the candidate whose testimony was recorded.
Where you are reading? Where you are
My lord, page 3. I'm sorry, my lord. I'm so sorry, my lord. I'm deeply sorry.
Yes.
Kindly take, my lord. This is page 3. এর একটা loose copy আছে না? দে তো। My lord, kindly take page 3.